In this video, let us look at how to find the angle of intersection between two circles. Angle of intersection between two circles. First, what is the angle of intersection between two circles? Suppose that you have two circles. They are intersecting each other at 2 points A and B. So at the point of intersection, draw the tangents for the first circle and the second circle. The angle between these two tangents is called the angle of intersection. So angle between tangents at the point of intersection is called the angle of intersection between the two circles, or for that matter any two curves. So let us call this angle as theta. So how do we find this angle theta? So we find this angle theta by an indirect method. Indirect method. We are not directly finding this angle. Let us find another angle, and from that angle we'll try to arrive at this angle. First, in this diagram, if we join the centers, we usually denote the distance between the centers by d, and let this be the first radius and let this be the second radius. So in triangle C1AC2, the dotted triangle, so let this angle A be represented, angle C1AC2 be represented by alpha. So how can we find C1AC2? C1AC2 angle can be found using cosine rule in this triangle. So cos alpha is equal to, what is the formula for cos of an angle in a triangle? R1 square plus R2 square minus D square by 2 R1 R2. Here R1 will be known, R2 will be known, and D will be known if the circles are known. So we can very easily find cos alpha. Now, is there any relation between this alpha and this theta? Now, carefully observe this triangle. The angle between the radius R1 and the tangent at A should be equal to 90 degrees. So I'll call this P and I'll call this S. So angle C1AS is equal to 90 degrees, right? C1AS is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C2AP is also equal to 90 degrees. Angle C2AP is also equal to 90 degrees. Now, what is the angle alpha? The angle alpha is equal to angle C1AS, plus angle C2A, angle C1AS plus angle C2AS. That is equal to 90 degrees plus angle C2AS. This small angle can be written as angle C2AP minus angle PAS. Angle C2AS, this small angle can be written as angle C2AP minus angle SAP. That is equal to 90 degrees plus angle C2AP is also equal to 90 degrees minus angle PAS is nothing but angle theta. This implies alpha is equal to 180 degrees minus theta. So I can write alpha as 180 minus theta, which is minus cos theta is equal to R1 square plus R2 square minus D square by 2 R1 R2. And this implies cos of the angle between two circles is equal to send this minus onto that side, d square minus r1 square minus R2 square by 2R1 R2. So this is the formula for angle between two circles. So what are the numbers that you need to find the angle between two circles? Again, R1, R2 and D. So if you know these three numbers, you can very easily find the angle between the circles. So I hope you understand how to find the angle.